Marina from Shenzhen Helium Electronics. As we all know, LED lighting development is a promising product. Neon light is very representative. It has high brightness, long life, safety, and energy saving, and easy to installation, dust and resistance. Its bright, beautiful, dynamic characteristics is any light can be replaced. So today I will introduce our newest neon light, O613. It's divided into illusion and RGB. The illusion is 5 meters long, 24 wattage, 7.2 luminance, 1.5 milliamp hour. The waterproof grade is 67. RGB is 10 meters long, 24 wattage, 2.4 luminance, 1 milliamp hour. Waterproof grade is also 67. The same as our type light is also with a controller. You can set your favorite model and color through the remote control, but the neon light is suitable for a wide range of places, and good flexibility can be designed any shape you want. Okay, let me show you how to control it. These two buttons can adjust the brightness. There are 20 colors for you to choose from. This is the music model, and it's also my favorite model. Okay, let me play a song to see the effect. You can see that the frequency of the flash changes with the rhythm of the music. With this model, you can increase the acoustical control sensitivity by pressing V+ or V-. You can also control the dynamic, quick, or slow. There are 8 models for you to choose from.